So I got a new VXT water feeder. Tied to a number 67. I've used some of those terminals for better connections. That's not the best looking, but oh well, it works. I had to put in a union. But the way this boiler is powered is fairly odd. I do have it jumped out to get it to run. But that used to be the old transformer for it. And it used to feed, well, it feeds this box here, 120 volts. And it used to feed this old feeder. And you can see that this thing has obviously seen better days. It actually started to leak by and flood the boiler. It's actually still a little high right now, but you can see it's basically been up to the top. But the way this thing is now powered is it's all low voltage, but it's powered through this air handler here. I did pull the door off to make sure we have a fuse, but yeah.